My name's Kevin Kirsch and I serve as Director of Sustainability here at UGA. We're excited about the Trash Trap project. Every year, about 10 million tons of plastic material enters our oceans, and most of it gets there through inland waterways. So this project is a local solution to capture litter before it makes its way to larger rivers and into the ocean.
My name is Gary Hopkins, and I'm co-owner of Stormwater Systems. We make the Bandalong Bandit, which is being installed today. Well, we started this business because we wanted to make a difference. Our goal is to stop it before it gets into the ocean. That's our whole mentality here of our company.
It's an exciting collaboration for us. The University of Georgia is working with Athens-Clarke County and local manufacturer Stormwater Systems to put the trash trap here at Trail Creek. So it's an educational opportunity and also a research project with researchers in the New Material Institute here at UGA to analyze those materials and help us to better understand the problems so we can come up with more effective long-term solutions.
Hi, I'm Connor Kiesling, a graduate student in the College of Engineering, working in the New Materials Institute with Dr. Jenna Jambak, looking at the anthropogenic litter and other plastic items that can enter this Trail Creek waterway. What's behind me is called a pollution capture device, and it's one way that we can track how much anthropogenic litter or plastic is entering our watersheds. So this research will kind of give insights to what types of materials are making it into this particular area and how much is collected by this device.